ropes. Same rules. Take pictures off the front and back. Stretch your legs there. This area is called the Devil's Elbow. Gets its name from the old steamboat captains. The first one came up the river in 1857. He was on a wooden boat 49 foot long. He had a steam engine of about 25 horsepower and a paddle wheel. They would eventually get up to about 150 foot long. I don't know the exact highest horsepower, all steam, paddle wheels.
Go right ahead. It's all part of the video.
All right, I'm a star.
Yeah.
Running back and forth before the dams were put in.
I'm trying to stay out of your way.
River could get quite wild. How wild? 3 miles wide at certain points. The other times of year, they would get caught on a sandbar for months at a time. Well, coming through this area, there are 2 sharp turns, nothing but solid rock on both sides. They had trouble navigating this area back then, especially going downriver. They were sure to note it on their charts and maps as the Devil's Elbow due to the difficulty of it. If you notice, the beautiful blue-green water comes from within the copper mineral within the rock. All the rock believed to be volcanic active at one time.
Hold on.
Our Colorado River, starting up in the Colorado Rockies, 10,200 feet in elevation. Water level here is 460 feet in elevation. River once running almost 1,500 miles long, just south of here, but split, going to the Sea of Cortez or the Gulf of California. We're traveling 58 miles of it today, 55 on the river, 3 of it across Lake Havasu. Of that 55 miles, the average river depth is only 10 foot deep.
Okay, so on our left, that's
I'm getting a lot of
Arizona on our left, and on our right is California. Cactus halfway up that mountain.
Is there?
Yeah.
Yeah, red one.
I see it.
Yeah, I'm getting a lot of there too. 28 miles one way. Laughlin, Nevada, Lake Havasu City, and the home of the London Bridge. Now we're speeding out there.
Alright, in the book on page 20 talks about some sand dunes. There's one up here on the left about 3/4 of a mile, and then there's a bunch of them about 6 miles up from here. 24 is talking about the natural arch, a few different places to see it from, about 3 miles up here on our left-hand side. I'll try to point it out to you as we go by. If not, we stop back by it on the way back and look at the petroglyphs on the way back as well.